BJP's West Bengal unit chief Dilip Ghosh has said that he would not contest the upcoming assembly elections and would focus on the Saffron Party's campaign in the state. Ghosh has said that party has decided election campaigns in the state would be done under the state chief's supervision. On Sunday, BJP announced the names of 63 candidates for the third and the fourth phase of elections in Bengal, including that of Union Minister Babul Supriyo and former TMC leader Rajiv Banerjee. Ritika Phogat, a cousin of champion wrestlers Geeta and Babita Phogat, died allegedly by suicide on Monday. Police said the 17-year-old Ritika Phogat was believed to be upset at narrowly losing a wrestling tournament final. She had participated in a state-level competition at Bharatpur between March 12th and 14th. She was found dead at the home of her uncle and legendary wrestler Mahavir Singh Phogat late on Monday. India continues to see a surge in COVID-19 caseload with a huge spike of 35,871 fresh coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, the highest since early December. The government yesterday said a total of 70 districts in 16 states have seen an increase of more than 150% active cases between March 1st and 15th. Across Maharashtra, 23,179 new coronavirus cases were logged on Wednesday, the highest this year. Cadbury India Private Limited has been accused of corruption by the Central Bureau of Investigation, which has filed a case against the company. The agency has accused Cadbury of corruption and misinterpretation of facts to fraudulently avail area-based tax benefits in Bhatti in Himachal Pradesh. NDTV reported that the agency conducted searches at the premises of the accused in 5 locations in Haryana and Himachal Pradesh today and recovered incriminating materials. Actress Angelina Jolie has accused her estranged husband, Brad Pitt, of domestic violence. Jolie has filed documents in the court which say that she will offer proof and authority to support her claims. According to the media reports, documents also indicate that the couple's children have agreed to provide testimony on the 57-year-old actor's alleged violence. The couple got married in 2014 but separated 2 years later and have been engaged in a bitter legal battle since then.